This is a short descriptive video of a very classic clock, the Bosch model UDW2 in the famous color orange with a bit of black, with a hint of black. You can see that's the alarm. That will set you straight up in bed. As you can see, it is running, which is actually not completely true. There are two separate mechanisms in there. One that drives the thingy that shows it to be running, and on the other side there is another gear that drives the clock. And the fact that this is running doesn't mean that the gear is running. Let me see, so you can see the clock is working. It's in a very nice condition. There's one minor point there. Where is it? There it is. Bit of plastic broken off, that's all. Let me just give you a quick view of the label. There you go. That's it. Thank you for watching.